the edge of the Saturdays every day. We're going to be doing tummy aches.
It's called Sweet and Salty Solutions. All right, what do we have? What's that?
Sugar.
What's the other one?
I'm eating it.
What's the other one?
Salt, but I don't like it.
Okay, what else do we have?
Water. That's all we
And
need.
no, we need the 2 test tubes
Measuring scoop. 2 test tubes.
and a pipette, and you just drop the spoon. Okay, so
What's my bet?
the pipette is in your hand. All right,
Yeah.
so you're gonna take the measuring spoon and you're gonna scoop 1 scoop each and put 1 of salt and then 1 of sugar.
Scoop. The next one's for me though.
Okay. All right, and then the salt in the other one, please.
Not the next one for me. We like don't like this.
All right. Okay, so now you're gonna put water in the pipette. Do you remember how to do that?
Water in the pipette.
Yep. All right. Okay, and we're gonna count how many drops you have in each one. Okay. So let's do 3 drops in each one first.
This.
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now put 4. All right. Now put 4 in this one.
Again, like you did this time.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. All right. Has there been any changes?
Ooh, this one has a little change.
Yeah.
This one's not a little change though. But this one really is a change.
All right, let's put some more water in.
I'm just gonna do it all at once.
Oh no, we're gonna do drop at a time. Okay, we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do the other one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's see, any changes?
This one changed.
That one changed a little bit more. All right, let's do some more.
Wait, I still have water on this.
Okay, that's fine. All right. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I lost count. All right, just try to get to the 2 on the other side. There we go. All right. Is the sugar all dissolved or do you see it?
I still see it. These guys see it?
I kind of still see it. All right, you want to add some more water?
I can't put my finger on it.
You want to add some more water and see if it disappears some more? Okay, here we go. Let's go up to the 3 line. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Then?
A little bit more. Okay, let's, oh, there, perfect. All right, and let's go to the 3 line here. Oh, we need more water.
Squeak, squeak. Look how much is this? That's a lot.
Want some more? Okay, there you go. Done. All right. Anything? Any changes? You wanna use the spatula to mix it?
Let me see.
Oh, there's still some crystals down there, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm trying to do.
All right. What about the salt?
This is just for me to hydrate a little bit.
Eating sugar does not hydrate you.
Yes,
It does
does.
make you go crazy though. Yes. All right. Let's mix the salt now.
I still got those crystals in there a little
There's
bit.
got crystals in there.
Okay, we'll wait a little bit and then show if there's any part of the circle. See you later, guys.
Okay, see ya.
See ya.